Hi guys, we have a great update from Amiti Software Technologies Private Limited. It's a very good update from this company. They are hiring freshers for the Java developer role. So it's a very good role, guys. If you have knowledge or excel in this Java technology, don't miss this opportunity. And also we have direct walk-in interview for freshers from various companies for different roles. And if you are interested towards IT or non-IT, don't miss these opportunities. Kumaran, PragmaEdge, Sagility, Onusworks, Rupik, and Aegletek. These companies are conducting walk-in interview for freshers. So guys, without lagging, let's see the more details. So guys, here you can see Amity Software Technologies is hiring for freshers. Role is Java developer. So they are looking for excellent benefits such as fully paid technical courses and certifications such as Java, and year of passing should be from 2023 and 2024. Education, they are seeking for BTech, MTech, BSc, MSc, BCA, MCA. So these are the eligibility criteria, and you should be proficient with JDBC, Spring, Servlet, and JSP. So they have 5 vacancies. Location is Bangalore, and you should have key skills Java, Hibernate, Spring Framework. They also mention other key skills. So if you have met the eligibility and if you have required skills, you can apply for this opportunity via Naukri portal. And they are looking for candidates who can join immediately or with a notice period up to 15 days. So guys, these are the main details. Before applying, carefully read everything, and if you met the eligibility, you can apply. Onusworks Software India company is conducting walk-in drive. They are hiring for freshers. Role is software developer. It's a very good role and a golden opportunity for freshers. So don't miss this opportunity if you are interested toward this role. And date and time for walk-in is 13th July 2024. Batch and timings for shortlisted candidates will be intimated by 5 p.m. on Friday 12th July. So they are seeking for 0 to 1 years of experience, and they have 5 vacancies. Location is Bangalore, and you should have key skills and you should from fresher and other key skills men Cronus, and time and venue everything they mention here. A time for walk-in is 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and the date is 13th July. So role is software developer, and venue Kalyan Nagar, Bangalore. So responsibilities and requirements: recent graduate with an engineering degree in computer science, information technology or related field, strong analytical and problem solving skills, basic knowledge of workspace management system is a plus, and excellent communication and interpersonal skills, ability to work independently and as part of a team, and eagerness to learn and adapt to learn new technologies. So these are the requirements, and they offer comprehensive training and mentorship opportunity to work with industry leading professionals, and competitive salary and benefits package. So interview process: be prepared for an aptitude test followed by group discussion, and after that interview. For more details, they also mentioned email, that is rakshita.anegeri at the rate of onusworks.com, and note they mention that looking for immediate joiners only. So these are the main details. If you are interested toward this role, you can attend. We have exciting opportunity from Rupik company. It is Rupik is looking for a software development engineer. So to join their dynamic team, it's a very good opportunity, guys. Don't miss it. And if you are eligible, you can apply. And eligibility criteria here, you can see BE or BTech graduates in CSC, IT, ECE or EEE branches with a strong object-oriented design skills in C or C++ or Java, preferably Unix or Linux. So these are the eligibility and qualifications. If you are interested, click on this link. They also provided application link here. If you click on this link, it will be navigated to the Google form and fill all the information whatever they have mentioned there and apply for it. Guys, here you can see one of the employee in Kumaran Systems have updated a LinkedIn portal that they are hiring for React Freshers 2024. Work location is Chennai, and they are conducting virtual online MCQ and coding test date on 9th, 10th and 11th July 2024. Today it is 10th July, so if you are interested, please apply today itself. And if you have they have requirements, they will conduct virtual online drive on 11th July. So direct face-to-face interview on 11th and 12th July 2024. Eligibility from 2023 and 2024 pass outs, and BE and BTech, CSC and IT branches, CCA, MCA. So role a trainee programmer. So they also mentioned application link. If we click on this, it will be navigated to the Google form. Here you can see they have provided all the details. Whatever they mention here, you have to provide all the information and submit. Aegletek company is conducting walk-in interview for freshers. So they are looking for BE, BTech, MCA freshers from 2022, 23, 2024 batches. And open positions, they have data engineer, Python full stack developer, Java full stack developer, DevOps engineer. So these are the very good roles, guys. If you are interested to do these roles, don't miss this opportunity. And the date of walk-in from 9th July 2024 to 12th July 2024. Time for walk-in 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. They also mention address, Aegletek Private Limited, Rishi Landmarks, Main Street, Srimitra Enclave, Adibatla, Hyderabad. For more details, they also mentioned contact number and email. So if you are interested, don't miss it. It's a very good opportunity. Mage connecting is an exciting opportunity for freshers. Role is a coordinated trainee. It's a mega walk-in drive, guys. Don't miss it. And they are conducting walk-in drive on 11th July 2024. Time for walk-in starts at 2 p.m. They also mention location: Pragma Towers, Capital PK Road, VIP Hills, Silicon Valley, Madhapur, Hyderabad. And eligibility criteria: MBA or a PGDM, all branches, graduates from 2024 only. And candidates must have minimum of 75% and more than 7.5 CGPA throughout their academic year. And position is project coordinator training. Required skills also they mentioned here. If you met the eligibility and if you have required skills, you can walk in. And note, candidates are requested to come dressed formally for the drive. So these are the main details. So here you can see all the details they mentioned here before walking. Once you look at this opportunity and carefully read every information, and if you met the eligibility, you can walk in. Sagility is conducting mega walk interview for freshers graduates for international voice process role. They have one vacancy. They are offering 2.5 to 3.25 lakhs per annum. Location is Hyderabad, and you should have key skills: international BPO, international voice process. They also mention other key skills. So if you are interested, you can walk in from 8th July to 13th July. Now today it is 10th July, so still you have opportunity to walk in. And the time for walk in is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. They also mention venue and contact. If you are interested, you can walk in to the location Atic City, Hyderabad. The skills required: excellent communication. Candidates should be willing to work in US shifts. And eligibility criteria: only graduates from BCom, BSc, BBA, B format from 21, 22, 23 and 2024 fast rows only. Candidates who from 2024 degree post rows, whoever have a last semester results awaited, candidates also can apply. So these are the main details. So if you are interested, you can apply.